Hi guys, a quick combination I'm going to teach you guys today in this video is a simple half a circle and two drops. So it looks kind of like this. Nice, slow and drop, drop. Nice, slow and drop, drop. So there's a common beat in the Middle Eastern music that we see a lot in a lot of the songs, and some of the drum solos actually is quite common drum solos where it's slow, double, double, slow, strong double, slow, strong double. So if you have that kind of move, that kind of beat, this is kind of a cool move. It's quite sexy actually to do with that beat. So what it is, I want you to imagine you've got a nice big half circle that goes down and you're tracing it forward and back. So you're going to be standing to the side and you're going to be tracing it as you go forward, and then you're going to trace it as you go back, okay? So when you trace it as you go forward, the key here is to remember that you got to stay on your toe. You're not really doing much with your heel, okay? You never drop your heel. Stay on your toe and just bend your knee to go down, and then think as you're starting from the back. So you want to push your hip back first, and then from there go down, and then bend that knee a little bit more as far as you want to and as far as your body can handle to, and then go forward with it, and then just kind of hold your head down up like this, and then go double. And then from there, you go in exactly the same way. Now, to exaggerate the circle as you go back is a little bit different than going forward. When you go forward, you really don't have to do much. Let me just get my knee here so you guys can see it. So hold the side, extend the arm to the side, and then go down like that. And you can switch the arms right here and double. But as you go back, you're going to have to lean down with your upper body as you do that circle. So same exact motion, you're bending your knee down, then you pushing back, but you kind of we all have a bigger range of motion forward than we do backward. So when you go forward, you really don't have to drop your upper body or lean back to exaggerate the hip motion. But when you go back, you kind of need to drop the upper body to exaggerate the hip motion. So from here, if your hip is forward already and you want to go down, bend the knee, of course, to start, and just drop the upper body a little bit more, bring the hip forward and drop, drop, okay? So from here, start from the back, the first half circle, going forward, switch those arms and drop, drop, and then going back, you're gonna switch the arms again and drop the upper body more and drop, drop. So the count will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I want to think about it like this: 1, 2, double, 1, 2, double, 1, 2, double. So that's your big half circle. So I'll do just a tiny bit faster. You don't want to do it too fast. So 1, 2, double, 1, 2, double, 1, 2, double, 1, 2, double. So I don't need to move my arms too much, but I could if I want to. So I could go 1, 2, double. Switch the arms before. 1, 2, double. So you definitely want to frame the hip that's kicking or dropping with the arm. So if I'm doing the left hip, you've got to frame the hip as it does that turn. So my arm must be extended when I do my big circle, okay? But when I drop, I could switch it up if I want to, but that's not necessary either, okay? So like forward, I'm going in, then I switch the arms, although it's not necessary, but I could just for a little change. But when I start circling back, I must drop my arm, my left arm, because my left arm has to frame the body as it goes back. And drop, drop, or I can even bring it back and drop. Okay, so whatever you want to do with the arm, there's not a lot of rules there, but whatever you feel comfortable, and of course, as long as it frames the body nicely. Okay, so hopefully you like that. Just a little quick thought of a combination of a half a circle, 2 drops, which is really a common beat. We don't think about it much, but it is a common beat in belly dance music. Okay, so hopefully you guys like it. I'll see you next time with the next video. In the meantime, check out the website for more belly dance lessons, free lessons for all. It's bellydancevideoblog.com, and the Facebook page is facebook.com/bellydancevideoblog. See you next time. Bye.